Top 10 Dirtiest Hotels in Las Vegas, ranked by guests. At number 10, it's Planet Hollywood. At number 9, it's the Horseshoe, the former MGM Grand. And at 8, it's the Treasure Island Hotel and Casino. And 7th spot, it may be a bit of surprise, it's Mandalay Bay. In 6th spot, it's New York Hotel. Park MGM sneaks into the top 5 with over a quarter of guests complaining about dirty rooms. Not much of a surprise to see Circus at number 4. It's old and needs updating, and 26% of guests feel dirty when they stay here. The oldest hotel on the Strip starts out our top 3, the Flamingo, where its long reputation of dirty rooms has 27% of guests complaining about it. The Luxor is the second dirtiest hotel in Las Vegas, with over 15,000 reviews online complaining about dirty rooms. And the dirtiest hotel in the whole of Las Vegas? The Excalibur, where 28% of guests felt their room was dirty. Do you agree with this list?